Students, today we will solve question number 4 of exercise 4.2. Solve the following equations. And first equation is 10p equals to 100. Similarly, we have to solve all the questions, student. As you know, here we have to find the value of this variable p, which is connected with this 10, and 10 and p is in the form of product. And when we shift this product in left hand side to right hand side, it will convert into divide. So when we shift this 10 which is connected with this p from left hand side to right hand side, it will come in the denominator, it will come in the divide. So what we will get? P equal 100 upon 10. This 0 cancel with this 0. So what we get? We will get the value of p as 10. Okay. Then second part is your 10p plus 10 equals to 100. Now here again your variable is p, which is connected with this 10 with multiplication and connected with this 10 with addition. So first we will remove this addition 10. We will shift this plus 10 from left hand side to right hand side and it will convert into minus. First we will write what is given in the right hand side, 100. Then we will shift plus 10 from left hand side to right hand side, it will convert into minus 10. Okay. Then next step, 10p equal 100 minus 10. What we will be the subtraction? 90. Now we will shift this 10 which is in the product form into right hand side. Obviously it will come in the denominator. 0 cancel with this 0. The value of p will here 9. Okay. Now we will solve D part. C portion you have to solve by your own. Minus p by 3 is equals to 5. Similarly, we have to find the value of again p here. Here p is negative and divide by 3. So first we will shift this divide 3 from left hand side to right hand side. Obviously it will go in the numerator with multiplication sign. Okay. Then minus p equal 5 3s are 15. Since here we have to find the value of p only, so we will shift this minus sign from left hand side to right hand side. So our answer will be minus 15. So the value of p here minus 15. Okay. Student, similarly you have to solve all the questions because all the questions are similar. Let's take one more question, your L part. Last question of this question number 4, which is 2q plus 6 equals to 12. Again here variable is q, which is connected with this 2 with multiplication and connected with this positive 6. So first we will shift this plus 6 which will convert into minus. We will get 12 minus 6, it means 6. Then we will shift this 2. Obviously it will come in the denominator, it means in the divide. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. So the value of q is here 3. Okay student, rest of the question you have to solve by your own.